What gave you the confidence? What prompted you to say, I'm going to raise my hand and I'm going to do this? And what was that experience like?
What gave me the confidence is not wanting to die. Um, I knew I was probably going to die living with sickle cell disease. I'd, been at death's door so many times, and I wanted to be here to watch my son grow up. So I was actually kind of desperate. A lot of people call me courageous, but I'm like, Victoria Gray's courageous, Janelle's courageous. I had data in front of me because I had seen them go ahead, and I had the opportunity to actually speak to them. And I just had it in my head that my outcome was going to be positive as well, because I could tell theirs was. So I was really desperate. I actually didn't even want to read the consent forms. They had to force me to read it before I signed it. I just wanted to sign. I'm like off-target edits, anything. I would take off-target edits and blood cancer than living with sickle cell disease as it is right now.
Amazing. And life hasn't been the same since. I can watch this clock going. That we're going to run out of time, and I want to talk about from the lowest lows to the highest highs. 2 years ago, a little less than 2 years ago, you summited Mount Kilimanjaro. You became the first person with sickle cell disease to do so. What an amazing. Tell us about that experience. I mean, most healthy people don't think they're ever going to be able to do that, let alone someone who's lived their life with sickle cell disease. Talk us through that.
I like this. So one of the things I've become post-transplant is I've become a stoic. I'm not in the traditional sense of not feeling emotion, but actually feeling emotion and learning how to use it. And one of my favorite lines I read in the book Stoicism is, it's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war. So when I could feel good physically, I'd just been prepping myself for something. I didn't know I was just obsessed with my health in the gym daily. And then one day I get an email from Luke Timmerman, hey, you want to go up Kilimanjaro with us? And I'm like, yeah, I'm ready. And I was ready. The surprise, the most difficult part was what we were really worried about was the high altitudes. And we went to Colorado to do high altitude training. And to my surprise, while everyone was killed over puking, and I was fine. And, we make this joke, and actually it's not a joke, it's actually true, because I'm producing hemoglobin F, which has better affinity to oxygen. I'm actually producing, I actually can breathe better than people in high altitudes or just in general. That's why I also ran the London Marathon in April. It's because essentially I'm a superhero now.